hope you kickers were practicing last week after the last session, obviously honing your skills for when we get back to footy. We're all looking forward to it, obviously, so when you come back, you'll be sharp with the foot. I'm just going to speak this week on catching. For the guys who are in the outside backs position, I think I'm pretty well qualified to be talking about this one. Did this quite a lot in my football days, so some of the principles I was taught, I'll be passing on to you today. Okay, so a couple of things that you can take and practice at home there is really important. Obviously, eyes up on the ball. A lot of people hear the footsteps coming down the field and they obviously take their eyes off the footy. The most important thing is to keep your eyes on that footy as long as you can. I tell the guys at the first training here, make sure you stare at the ball until after you catch it. That's number one. Number two, elbows in. You would have heard that as well. Why do we do that? It keeps the ball nice and secure and it can't fall through the space. And number three is keep your feet moving until the ball's actually in your grasp. So as an example, boys, okay, ball's in the air, stare at the target, keep your feet moving, elbows in. So throwing it up, keep your feet moving, stare at the ball till after it's gone through, elbows in. Nice and simple, can throw them to yourself, elbows in. Now you can have a partner, if you've got someone like Peyton at home, they can kick you a few footies, test yourself out with a bit more height. So if he puts a couple up for me, again, feet moving, elbows in. Stare it until you've actually caught the football. Go again, Janko. Feet moving, elbows in. Stare at it till after you've caught it. Those are three things that they're key principles, but they'll never fail you when you're out in the footy field. And remember, don't worry about those footsteps coming down the field. Concentrate on the ball, where it's going. Keep your elbows in, keep your feet moving, and you'll be sweet.